Damn it.
What's good, YouTube? It is your boy, Mr. Top Heavy, and we are heading to Big Sur. We're going to be staying at PFEIFFER Campground for about 5 days. So there's lots of adventures in store. 5 hours and 49 minutes.
We also have one in the park too.
Can we do both? Yeah.
That's all poison oak right there. Leading down to the river area. Poison oak, all that. So we're all set up here at our campsite at PFEIFFER. Right behind us back here is a little river / creek. The campground is pretty full, if not completely full. There's a lot of people here. The weather is amazing, so it's not a surprise. The campground itself is one of those campgrounds where, you know, there's lots of like activity, and there's a camp store, no service, but showers and running water. And at our current spot, we have right across from us bathrooms, trash, and water, and then right behind us access to the river. So probably one of the doper spots that's here. Tonight we're going to do, you know, our dehydrated meals, enjoying a nice cold one, and just gonna chill out. Oh boy, that was a rough night of sleep last night. The wind was just constant all night. We were getting coffee going. We don't really have a plan.
sure it's catching.
To be free, blackbird.
It's about 7:30. We're going to hit the road, drive about an hour up to Carmel. I'm going to do some bike riding and enjoy the city. What's good, heavy hitters? It's your boy, Mr. Top Heavy. I'm here at Carmel by the sea. Currently, we are at a nature preserve, doing about a 1.5 mile hike. So we're going to be doing some form of a loop. There are various trails here. There's not just like one, hey, you're doing this loop. So just keep that in mind if you come to do this. Poison oak. Poison oak. I mean, it's everywhere. Currently at Carmel Beach, off leash for dogs. Having a good time. The hike was flanked on both sides of the trail at certain points by poison oak and poison ivy, which just makes it not a pleasant experience. We did about a little over half a mile, about 45 minutes, and decided to come down to the beach, which, you know, for the most part is pretty empty. It's a nice big flat open beach. Water looks really nice, so great. Good morning, heavy hitters. Pretty cold. We're gonna have some eggs and Spam for breakfast this morning. Little amendment to breakfast, no eggs. We forgot we used up the last two and didn't replenish when we went to the grocery store yesterday in Carmel. Asterisk to that, we went to the Safeway in Carmel to pick up a few extra things. We're going to check to see if there's firewood. It was $20 for a box. So just keep in mind, if you didn't bring firewood in with you, do not go to the Safeway in Carmel. We did not buy it. So we're going to procure some either here on the campground. We saw that the front gate had some, and one of the camp hosts drove by asking if we needed some. So just know that's expensive. A good hearty English breakfast. winner. Started out rough. I didn't get a single draw two, reverse, skip. We are all done at the campground. Definitely had all of the amenities that you need. The access to the river was amazing. Being able to spend the day down there was so cool. Lots of little ground squirrels and the sterling jays running around, so definitely keep your food and stuff kept away. Really, really big and takes forever to get from the entrance to our site. That was kind of a pain in the butt. But the views are stunning. Everything around here is amazing. Definitely a bucket list area, so come check it out.